Hello everybody, welcome to MysticHawkCrystals. Welcome to the new YouTube channel. I know for the longest time I've had a placeholder video out there showing everyone how to clean quartz crystals with oxalic acid. And that works really well, but not everybody can get a hold of oxalic acid. And it is kind of dangerous. You don't really want it around if you have kids and pets. Well, I found a different way that's more economical, easier to get a hold of, and not so toxic. You can use it when you finish up with your product. You can use it in your laundry, put it in the toilet, and this is Dollar General brand of OxyClean. So it is an Oxy multi-purpose cleaner. So what I do is I get a little tub about this size. It's a very small tub, maybe an inch or two. I'll put about an inch or two of water in it. I've already filled this container up and done this for the TikTok video. By the way, watch MysticHawkCrystals on TikTok, and we have MysticHawkCrystals at the Etsy store if you want some crystals. So about this much, and I poured it in there, mixed it in really good, and let it give it a chance to dissolve. Then take a crystal like this, and if you notice, it's not a really badly stained one, but it is dirty on the bottom. And this is after rinsing it off pretty good with just some plain water. And again, not everybody wants their crystals in the nasty oxalic acid. No, what OxyClean is a base. So it's the opposite of acid. It means it has a pH over 8, and you don't really want to get it on your hands. It won't eat your hands up right away. If you do use your hands, you could probably use your hands for a little bit, but it'll start peeling your skin, so be careful. If you do decide to just use your hands, I would keep on hand. This is vinegar and water, and it will neutralize the reaction and stop the slipperiness. That's what like soap is, why it's slippery, because it's a base. There you go, a little science lesson. So here's what I'm doing. You see how it gets the dirt right up. I mean, right away it starts pulling up all the mud that was stuck on. And again, I could not get this off with regular water. And it starts happening right away. I just kind of rinse it off, keep going back and forth. And I keep doing this until the rusty stain is gone. And it may leave some inclusions and stuff in there, but it works really well. And that's basically how we do it. It's just get down in there and get all the dirt spots out. I like some of the rust actually, because it gives a little contrast. It makes it really interesting. You know, this is a little tabby. This is, you know, just a little cluster that I picked up around and about out in the woods. And see, there we go. It cleans it on up and just rinses it. Gets it right out. And when you have really fine clusters and you need to get between something, and even after you soak it in oxalic acid, sometimes there's some dirt that still gets stuck in there, some clay and stuff. It doesn't come out. The acid doesn't eat the clay up. Matter of fact, the clay will make the acid go bad really quickly, so be careful. Anyway, that looks like I need to take a pick or something and get that out. But you see the general idea. So just a little bit of the OxyClean multi-purpose, and look at there. Look how clean that crystal is. So much cleaner. And it just took about a minute or two. Not very long. How long? Oh, a little over 3 minutes. Woo! All right, thank you. And thank you for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Please do. And don't forget to watch the Mystic Hawk for your tarot readings and everything as well. Oh yes, by the way, I have these selenite necklaces on sale at my MysticHawkCrystals store. This is really good for protecting you during these strange and unusual times. It's very good help with anxiety, clear your field, clear negative energy off of you, and keep it away. So it's like a shield of protection right at your heart center. All right, thank you, and bye-bye now.